Zuzu on the beat.
It's Piquet. One music ikayalami, one music ikayalami, yeah. One music ikayalami, one music ikayalami, yeah. One music ikayalami, one music ikayalami, shred. One music ikayalami, shred. One music ikayalami, shred. One music ikayalami, shred. One music
Music ikayalami isikhathi sami noma ngekho sharp wehlisa umoya wami abangithathela phansi ngizothola nganyakaza mangayihlangane nami angeke ngifakaze ngoba kuzonda abantu angilishesheli lelo toho and angisenesiqhumama ongasibona siphushe isibono and kumele nzenze ngcono and angenzeli wena sondizwa nje zami ibhisho dlala phasi kwestand hlala phasi kwesensandi lonke lonke yubi malanda one man plus Fisha, Tatana Manut, usekhulumile uthisha amanwabula ama-rapper ngathi bhoding izolcisha bebe cathi ngimile kanti ngikujwezisa kusesutshani bonke sebahola ngezifuba ngithi punch after punch isiphatho sithola kule beat kick bhala kushisa iphepha talk I'm lit kuze kuphela ibheki game inokujeka ngizoqondisa igwegwe la trap ubhema utap uthi shoot lo mjida beta make it punching back phasi kwekade ngingujack papa bambu beta hlane khambe ne-network umuno wesithathu isipho samahhala ufuna uMandela sisihambo yomlanda ngisoka lamanyala nezintombi ziyangikapa for sure akangazi mara uthi ngiyamchaza kufika mina kube kwasa umrapper basebajaza ngizishaye ngetreke lo mntana bezobhazabhaza ngiyathela kakhulu ngakokhalisa misikhathula nalesitala sami sinokungithatha namabhansolo kumele kudeni masankhafula kuyachaphazela ntototo tripha ngize ngimize submarine ngiya overflow ngistika kumastyle no amago slow ngismakade sakhe maseguqa ngamadolo munya angihloma ngithokile lamlilo tivolo yebo umhlaba ronde impilo igwincika kwesondo sengiya-understand man bahlezi banemibono yazini bayensekene bobolo esibayeni sezima-overwash ungangiza ntoni nama sengiphethe igosha mawungekho kufethu please ekela ukhotsha ungangenza ntoni na ngirobha amakoborosho yeha dlalelelale ubophathisa umbrella just in case mangilenda tshintsha neweda nasephenthi like iyanetha nalenda ikila abantwana abalobe bangiwela bethe nayikathi kwamalungu ethemba uronida hakuralena mdansi bayede umsibi ondlolozwa noma ngetho ungemulo wevuzwana onene ngiziphiziphise kule bhisi kumayimvizivite talame ngempila nginaqhela namaphicicibona babona ukuthi sipile shayijikijikithele kubandlile kazakhalithikithikithikthi ngasaningizwa shiya mathiza ebisha eduse wethe kule bhifi ngizoyidla ngizenedisa nibocacisa if you wanna better singa-organize a match if it's bet you cash oh yeah fat and grand I got nothing to prove ugodi bulletproof if you wanna shoot I think bodle phuza ngizingikhohlwa ukuthi impilo inzima konje buka ubusuku bonke ngizima ukulala ngizisole trash ngisithayi imali kazela ngincanywa I was broken undercover ngine-10 ngiqala ukurhyma gogo bekangithanda banomkhulu beprovider if bengekho usasa ngabe nekusasa ngilibonanga gazi ezinje inkonkothayo icede zengaluma ngisona isikorokoro sana ngidinga ipush kuze ngidum inhliziyo iglass yaphuka ngeke ilungu kosi ngiyabonga ngilala ngavu ifunda ivalo bengiyawaza ngamabook attention niggas I can see you raise the flags busy talking about yourself this and that if swag range ispanela ngizongithatha masengiblack ningithembisa impama ngiphuza ngikhohle ngesidash like I'm still the best I let the beat do the rest Sadio Spanish is over,